Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by the channel. Today we're going to be talking about trekking poles. This is a part of our senior series, but obviously everybody could use trekking poles. We're going to talk about what to look for in a trekking pole, how to adjust them so that they fit properly for you, and how to correctly use them. I see people using them wrong all the time, and it's actually making them more tired. So I remember I used to see people just walking around the neighborhood with trekking poles. I thought, is that really necessary? Then I said, well, and then I saw people on the trail with them, and I said, well, maybe I'll give it a try. So there was a trail that I used to hike, and it had a pretty good uphill on the way back. And you kind of beat after walking the trail. Then on the way back, you got a little bit of uphill. It was kind of a hard trail to finish. So I walked that normally, and then I walked it again with the trekking poles. And the difference was amazing. I had a lot more endurance. My breath was better. And there's been some trails that I've been on that are downhill with loose gravel. Without the trekking poles, I never even would have attempted it. It would have been dangerous without them. So get yourself a set of trekking poles. They're worth their weight in gold, especially if you get the carbon fiber ones because they're pretty light. So when you're using the trekking poles, you have this strap. Most people's instinct is to put their hand through the strap and then grab the grip like this. That's not what you want to do. If you were to fall or need your hand for something, boom, you lose your trekking pole. If you go up from the bottom and grip it with the strap between your hand and the grip, you're good. That way, if you need to use your hand to stop on a boulder or a tree or something, you're fine, and you still have your trekking pole. The other thing is if you come down from the top and grab it like this, if you fall, you're going to have that between the ground and your hand, and that could cause a lot of damage. So up from the bottom, grab the strap and the grip. So when you're walking with your trekking poles, you want to remember to have your left foot, right arm, right foot, left arm. Okay. And you'll also notice that I'm not picking up the poles and sticking them way out in front of me. All I'm doing, I've got them at a slight angle backwards, and you just push off. You don't even need to pick them up that much, depending on what's on the trail, of course. But for the most part, you don't need to pick up your poles that much at all. Picking them up and putting them out in front of you like this is going to wear you out. So you can even drag them if you want. Now, when you're going uphill, you're going to use these to push. And push up the hill, push up the hill, push up the hill, push up the hill, push up the hill. And then on your way down, you can even put your hands on top of the poles like this, and you're going to poke the ground. Okay? You can even put them out in front of you like this and poke the ground. But the main thing you want to keep in mind is that you're using these trekking poles to give you 4 points of contact instead of 2. That way you're much more stable and it's easier to keep your balance. And there you have it, folks, our guide to using trekking poles for seniors. Remember, trekking poles are a valuable tool that can help you stay active, explore new trails, and enjoy the great outdoors for years to come. So invest in a pair of quality poles, practice using them, and hit the trails with confidence. Thanks for watching. Happy trekking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more senior outdoor adventures. See you next time.